Welcome everyone, welcome to the Wolf College of Coffee vlog, welcome to the beautiful Dandelion and Driftwood. Today we're talking about brewed coffee, but more specifically cold brewed coffee. What we have here is a list of different ingredients and kind of ways that we can put together some new products for you at home if you've never tried them before. What we're using is our new Cold Wolf, which is a triple distilled UV filtered water and beautifully roasted single origin coffee that we've roasted up at Wolf Coffee Roasters just up the road there. And today we're going to go through a couple different recipes, let you try some new things, so let's get started. All right, to start with, we're going to go with an Ice Long Black. Now your Ice Long Black is only a couple of very simple ingredients. First of all, highball glass. Generally for these recipes, we're running about a 500 ml total recipe, so something nice and tall. To that, we're going to add some ice. I always say the more the merrier, always want to get it chilled down nicely. Now to that, we're going to add 2 shots, and when we say shots, we mean 30 mils of our concentrate. Keeping in mind this concentrate is rather strong, so keep it within that 60 ml total, because otherwise it'll be a very long day for you. Now with that, we've got 2 shots of our concentrate. Now the last thing we're going to add is water to fill it out, add some volume, and bring that flavor exactly where we want it to be. All right, number 2. So we're going to go with an iced latte. Now again, we're running with a full 500 ml total highball glass. To that, we're going to add ice again. Now you may want to go a little bit less ice this time, just because we don't want to water down our iced latte. To that, 2 shots, again 60 mils total of our concentrate. And we're going to top it up with your choice of dairy, non-dairy, or any alternative milks. And just like that, give her a stir, and we have our iced latte. All right, next up, what we have is an iced mocha. Now, your choice of how you'd like to do it. Everyone says they've got their different versions of a mocha, but I'd like to think this is the best way. So again, we're going to start with our highball glass, 500 mils, just the right size for the right amount of coffee, but we're adding the right amount of chocolate as well. Now with this one, there is a dash of hot added. So at this point, we'll take our chocolate powder, or if you've got a chocolate syrup, you're already ready to go. I'm using a Peruvian chocolate powder here. So we're going to add a little bit of chocolate powder. To that, I'm going to add a dash of hot water just to get that liquefaction process going. We'll give that a stir just to make sure that there's no powder or residue left. We've got it all nice and liquid, ready to accept our coffee and make for a beautiful mocha. Now to that, we're then going to add our ice. Again, a perfect serve of 60 mils or 2 shots of our coffee concentrate. And lastly, your choice of dairy, non-dairy, or alternative milk. And what we have is a great combination of chocolate, coffee, and perfection. Our ice mocha. All right, last one up, our espresso martinis, because drinking coffee doesn't have to stop in the morning. You can have it at night, but just make it a little bit more fun. So for our ingredients, we have a few extra little things, which is our vodka and our Kahlua. We start with the same core though, which is get our glass. For this, I'm using an espresso martini glass. I'm gonna add ice to that now to make sure it starts chilling down while I do the rest. We'll get our ice into that and let that aside while it does its thing. Now to our shaker, we're then going to add ice as well. To that, it's a simple recipe of 1, 1, and 1. So we're going to add exactly 1 shot or 30 mils of our concentrate. 1 shot or 30 mils of our vodka. And 1 shot or 30 mils of our Kahlua. Now for those who've used regular espresso for making these before, you shake it to produce that foam, keeping in mind you don't have the heat on this. You do want to give it a good thorough shaking, but as always, be safe when you do it. So we place our tumbler over the top here and we give it a good shake. Glass behind you, you don't want it flying out just in case, and away we go. Now Once the metal part of our shaker has gone frosted, we know then it's been shaken enough and we've got enough of a chill through the entire drink. Give her a knock to give her a loose. Empty your ice out of your martini glass. And we're ready to strain. And there we have 4 world-class drinks to go with our world-class Cold Wolf. Give it a shot, try, find out which one's your favorite. Always keep in mind that there's no such thing as too much coffee. Enjoy. Thank you for watching this week's Wolf College of Coffee vlog. If you'd like to watch another video, you can click one of them here. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe so you can always see the next video when it comes out next week. If you'd like to leave a comment or like below, we'd love to hear from you. Otherwise, grab a cup of coffee and come back soon. I can wait.